In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and view your friend's wish list on Steam. It's really easy and simple. First, we need to find our friends. So, all you do here is come and hover over this friend, click on this, and you will see this option to view friends list. I'll click on this option, and you see all your friends. I currently have one friend right here who's actually offline. So all I'm going to do is click on this down arrow, and then you want to click on view profile. Okay, now we're at our friend's profile. And you see this games option right here. You want to go ahead and click on this. All right, so click on games. And right here at the right hand section, you'll see wish list. All you need to do is click on a wish list and you will see all of their wish lists. And let's see. So this friend has one game as a wish list, which is GTA 5. You can go ahead and gift it to them if you would like. And when it was added, really that easy and simple.